Welcome back guys to Act on PC. Today in this video we will not discuss about any keyboard shortcut, or this video is not about any keyboard tutorial. In this video we will learn a very amazing trick of your Windows system. If you are using a Windows, this trick will be performed by you, which can be helpful when your device freezes, when you get system errors, when your device gets hanged, failed updates, anything when your device is unresponsive. It can be helpful in that conditions. We will learn today how to make a shutdown or restart shortcut in Windows. Simply you have to click on your desktop, right click on your desktop. Here you will find new. After clicking new, you will find various options in which you have to select a shortcut option. When you select a shortcut option, it will display a bar in which you have to type the following command, which is shown on your video on your device: shutdown.exe space -r space -t space 00. Now what is this command? Let's learn about this command or break down into various sections so that you will never forget how to use this command in future. Write shutdown.exe, which means shut down the system, space -r or -r, whatever you can say. It means restart. -r or -r represents the restart. Space -t space 00 represent that after which time delay you have to restart your PC or your system, anything you are using. -t space 00 is indicating the time delay after which you have to restart your PC. You can put any time of 00 in which, according to you, after which time you have to restart your device. It can also be helpful in such ways that you are doing something work and you know after this time your PC will automatically be restart or shut down. You can set timer to that -t space, after which how many seconds you have to restart your system. It will perform according to that. Like habitual restarts, convenience, you have scheduled a task on your PC. This can be helpful in this way. Simply, if you want to make a shutdown button, you have to write -s instead of -r or -r. You have to add or replace -r with -s, which represent that this button will work as a shutdown button. So this video is all about that. And if you want to learn more new tricks about Windows which will make your experience to the next level, please subscribe to the channel, follow on Instagram. Thank you so much.